Well, we are leaving our harvest host at Sierra Blanca Brewery in, outside of Albuquerque, New Mexico. And we are headed to Oklahoma City.
Yep, it's 42 degrees. Kind of nice down here.
Yeah.
So
tonight it's supposed to get down, or I guess tomorrow morning it's supposed to get down to 12 degrees in Oklahoma City. So we'll see where we end up staying. There's a few harvest hosts that we might stay at, or we might choose to get some hookups. So
yeah, we'll cross that bridge as we get there. We're not planners. We'll figure it out when we get there. It's worked for us so far.
Yeah.
So on the road, here we go.
Turn right on US 6060.
Antique Auto and Toy Museum. And there was a glider museum also I saw.
I thought it was a junkyard.
Pretty much. That was like one of the 1940s. I couldn't tell. Looks like somebody had a bad day.
Give that on,
Too late. Let's see.
Going super fast, so it might take us a while to go 3 miles. Seeing as we're going 3 miles an hour. But that's okay. So yeah, highly recommend Oklahoma City at 5 o'clock on Thursday.
You're pretty good at navigating us through the big town during rush hour.
That's what I do. Hi there. So we're at our harvest. No, it's not a harvest host.
It's not a harvest house.
We're casino docking.
We're casino docking at the
Black Hawk Casino.
Black Hawk Casino. I don't know if you can see that.
Black Hawk Casino, and it's
Outside of Oklahoma City.
east of Oklahoma City. Yeah,
On I-40.
yeah. So I found it on Campendium, and basically you have to get here, and I called ahead, and they said it was fine, and then they said just check in with security when you get here. So the minute we got here, before we put the pads down or levelers down, before we set up, I went in and checked with security and got the name of the swing shift supervisor to make sure that it was okay. He told us where to park, which I had read on Campendium, so we were already there. So it was really good. And then we went in for dinner.
Not bad.
It was
Looks like a lot of locals come in
Yeah.
here. She seemed to know most of the people.
It was
that come
pretty
in and out.
pretty inexpensive for
Yeah.
I had a burger for like, I don't know, $8 or $6.
Not bad at all.
So yeah, it was pretty, nothing great.
Should be a
but
quick night.
yeah, it's gonna be cold. Like, I don't know. Well, I think it's supposed to be in the 20s.
In the 20s. Depending on which weather app you look at. One says the teens and one says the 20s.
Yeah.
So we'll find out in the morning and let you know.
Yeah. So either way, it'll be good. We're leaving the Black Hawk Casino outside of Oklahoma City. Shawnee,
Oklahoma.
Shawnee, Oklahoma. And we're going to head up towards St. Louis. I don't think we're going to quite get that far. But we're going to see if we can find an RV park that maybe still has water available. Because we're at 13 degrees right now.
Yep, it's 13 degrees when we got up. So little chilly.
Yeah, we love our propane heater. So
we're going to head that direction.
Let's go.
Proceed with the stacker.
Oh yeah. Oh, that was cool. There was you can see where there was just a water coming from a rock, and it Well, I think it's about 10 degrees out, maybe. And we got to the Doolittle RV park. I think it's called the Doolittle Acres. And I have the dogs in their dog run. Hi, dogs. Anyway, yeah, we went to go get water put in at the Hard Rock Casino. They have a nice, in Tulsa, they have a free water and free water and free dump. So we were like, yay, score. Well, we got there and the valve on our motorhome was frozen. So no water for us. So we decided we should come to a full hookup RV park just so we can get some electrical and see if we can't get some things defrosted. We have some laundry going in their laundry room, and they have nice shower houses that are heated to 70 degrees. So I'm looking forward to a nice long hot shower. So Scott went to Walmart and there was no heaters on the shelves. The shelves were empty because we thought maybe we can just put a heater in that wet bay of ours. Well, that's not going to work because Walmart was completely out. So dogs needed a little run or a roll, whatever you want to call it. I'll get dinner started and see what we do. Come on. Come on. Can I just say how lovely I am? I don't think there's a speck of dust anywhere in here. Super clean washing machines. That was the spin cycle. Huge capacity dryers. So I'm going to go ahead and share one dryer. I did 2 loads of wash, but do one drying. I got a nice little place to hang stuff, fold stuff, Pepsi machine, and a TV. There you go. Great place to stay. So they have 4 restrooms and their office and then the laundry room. And then the manager just lives in one of those houses, so not far, just in case. Site map. And there's Cooper waiting for me. Hi, back up. Back up. Cooper, get back. Back up. Good boys. Oh, yeah, I was gone for a whole 5-10 minutes. Oh, he's gone forever. Oh, hi, Willie. Ow.
We were going to stop somewhere outside of Indianapolis, but we didn't find any place real convenient. So we went ahead and pushed on through, pulled into Elkhart after dark. So we stopped here at this Casey's and decided to unhook the toad so Ashley could lead the way and make sure that the path was clear because we were going to camp at Camp Dynamax.
It's not really a blue ox anymore.
Nope, it's the only bag you got. We'll update it someday.
Well, we made it back to the mothership. We pulled in last night around 9 o'clock. Got backed in, hooked up to some power.
Well, good morning. We are here at the Dynamax factory, and it was -1 when I woke up this morning, so a little cold. If you see behind me, there's some icicles coming out of our wet bay, so that's not good. Scott went to the hardware store to get some parts, and I am doing dishes. I'm gonna go get some water from that frost free and some jugs. Fun times. So people might have thought we were crazy. Some people thought we were stupid. Yeah, you're probably right. But, you know, it's all an adventure. Sure is a pretty day. This is the back of Camp Dynamax. We got a fire pit and some barbecues, water and electric hookup. And look, we are the only ones here. Apparently nobody else is crazy enough to make this trip. And it is a Sunday. Oh well. Pretty view.
So we did have a couple of freeze up issues. You can see there's some icicles hanging down below the wet bay. So the tanks didn't freeze, but inside this wet bay, it's not very insulated, and all of our little valves and hoses froze up. Back in there, I've got a space heater in here now. Everything's defrosted, but unfortunately we had one casualty. My filter that's supposed to hang here, it broke and cracked the housing. So today the plan is going to be to get in here and bypass the filter so we can get more water back on board and continue. Nothing else so far looks like it's been damaged. So that'll be today's project. I take the lines, bypass the lines here and just loop them together to bypass the filter, and now it's taking air on. I did add a little heater in there. I just got an extension cord run around underneath for now to get it heated up. That heated the bay all up, so everything's de-thawed. We're filling back up with water. There is a little hose up inside here. Now you probably can't see it, but that hose comes from the heater, but it didn't have much air coming out of it when the heater was on, but that's supposed to keep this bay warm. So it's -1 degree here at Dynamax today. Looks like there's a new Europa, a couple of XLs, see a bunch of chassis back in there, getting ready to be built. A couple of Isatas. Some more back over there. Pretty cool. -1 degree, but it's supposed to warm up from here on out.
Stay tuned to our next video where we will share what repairs were done and our experience at Dynamax.